Hi everyone and welcome again. Today we are going to discuss sheet options. The objectives of this lecture is knowing sheet options, insert to sheet, protect sheet, and copy color sheets. All the story begins with right click on the sheet. Let's get practically to Microsoft Excel sheet. In your desktop, right click, new, Microsoft Excel worksheet. When you open Microsoft Excel workbook, you will find only one sheet, and this is by default. Okay? Right click on this sheet. The first thing you can do is to rename the sheet like that. I want to rename the sheet by Hytham. Okay? Okay. Right click on the sheet again. You can insert new worksheet. Okay? And this is our new worksheet. Also, you can rename this worksheet. Right click, rename. I will call this sheet El Musallami. Okay? Okay. Right click, insert. You can also insert chart like this chart, and we will explain chart in details in the next lectures. Also, you can insert Microsoft macro, and we will discuss macro and Visual Basic Programming in details in the advanced stage of this course. Also, you can insert Microsoft Excel dialog. Also, we will discuss this dialog in detail in the advanced stage of this course. Moreover, you can delete these sheets. If you select dialog, control, macro, pressing control, chart, and right click, you can delete all these sheets by one click. Just select delete. Delete. Okay? Okay. And here is our workbook again. Consists of only 2 sheets. As mentioned before, we have discussed that Excel workbook consists of several or only one worksheet, and the worksheet consists of a group of cells. Okay? Workbook, then worksheets, then cells. Okay, let's get back to our sheet operations. Right click on the sheet. You can move and copy the sheet. If I make any indentation on this sheet like this color, and I want to copy this sheet, right click, move or copy, and select create a copy. So Hytham 2, this is a copy of this sheet. Hytham 2 is a copy of Hytham. Let's rename it by Hytham copy. Okay? Also, if you want to move the sheet to another workbook, I open another workbook called Smarter Excel. If I want to move this sheet Hytham copy to another workbook, just select the destination workbook Smarter Excel and press OK. So the sheet have been moved to the destination workbook. Okay, this is Hytham copy. Let's get back to our original sheet. Also, if you want to move the sheet with a copy, just select right click, move, create a copy, and select a destination. Okay? Hytham have been moved, and the original copy also have a copy or original copy of the Hytham sheet. Okay, this is a difference between check here or not, create a copy or not. Okay, okay. Right click on sheet. You can view code of this sheet, and we will discuss coding and Visual Basic Programming in the advanced stage of this course, so stay tuned. Also, if you have multiple sheets in this case and you want to move the position of sheet to right or left, just click and drag and drop like that. I can move all the sheet here. I can move the sheet. I can move the sheet to left. I can move this sheet to the right. Okay? Okay. Also, you have these arrows to right and to click left. Okay? This is about moving or shifting sheets. Also, you can protect the sheet. Right click, protect sheet. You can check for the all user and the allowable of this sheet. If you want to protect formula, columns, rows, check whatever you want. Just enter a password for your sheet. We will enter 1, okay, and re-enter the password here. Okay, well, our sheet now is protected and you can't modify anything about it you have selected and checked without permission. Now your sheet have been protected and the user can't modify anything about you have checked in the list without password. Okay, so let's try. If I want to write anything, there is a message. The cell or chart you are trying to change is an protected sheet. To make a change and protect the sheet, you might to be requested to enter a password. So you must enter a password to change in to make changes in this sheet. So let's right click and unprotect sheet and enter password 1. So now I can modify and make changes and write and make any operation in our sheet. This is about protecting the sheet. Okay, also right click, you can change the theme and the color of sheet tab. If this is an important tab, I will change its color to red, and if this an sheet, I can color this sheet to blue. So this is colorized sheet. Okay, you can colorize the tabs. Also, you can hide the sheet. This sheet have been hidden, and if I want to unhide the sheet, right click and unhide. Okay, the sheet have been unhidden again. Right click, select all sheets if you want to select all sheets, and I want to delete all sheets. There is a message. Any workbook must have only one, at least only one worksheet, so you can't delete all sheets. Let's summarize this lecture. We have discussed workbook operations, and all operation starts with right click on the worksheet. You can insert worksheet, chart, macro, dialog. Okay, also you can delete the worksheet, you can rename the worksheet, you can move or copy the worksheet, you can create a copy or not, you can send this worksheet to another destination, to another workbook. Okay, also you can view the code, the Microsoft code and the Visual Basic code. Also you can protect the sheet. Just select the features you want to protect and set a password. Okay, and the user can't modify anything without this password. Also, you can change tab color from here and set whatever color you want. You can hide the sheet and unhide the sheet. You can select all sheets. Today's quote by Steve Jobs. The quote is, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life." So set your goal, set your own goal, set your own business, set your own work, and don't listen for anyone. Just respect yourself, your mind, your thought, and work hard to achieve your goals and your objectives. Just do it, just practice, just make effort to master the skills you want to have. And this is our communication channels. Please contact us if you have any question. If you want any help or assistance, please contact us about this is communication channels. I'm Haytham Hisham, and thank you, and see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.